I be Vybz in this, be Vybz in this, Vybz in this, be Vybz in this, be Vybz in this, be Vybz in this.
Yeah, people, you don't know it's a Grizzly Bear and representing, Beer Vybz TV. Pungeh, or Hugu Pungeh. Well, the name shot. Yeah, normal. I don't know Rasta. That's some creative set of people. Creative in every form and in every way. You know what I mean? Big up to all Rasta. Magnum King and Queen, do it because dig out the talent them and do the search and find some raw, what I say, raw, you know what I mean? Because the man bring authentic Africa to the show. Yeah? Beer money off link on the stage and beer things, I tell you, say, the man suit rich. You know what I mean? Rich as Scatter said, the man come out now in full red, a blaze and a burn up the stage and, you know what I mean, bank robber, normal. They can't see the leather, rich. But people, the song. Yeah man, it have my man, yeah man. You have to know what go on. You have some man, them never want Rasta talk to them girl, cause them just know say Rasta lyrics them sharp like laser. Not even razor, laser sharp. But right there and then, I can see say, Miss Kitty, the music, lift her up. She have to rise up, rise up. You know what I mean? The king say, queen, rise up and she rise up and then guess what go on now? She come out tired. Them never did plan, them never did call them one another. But the two of them outfit did relate in such an ordinance. The song was projected on such a high level. It was executed without no doubt or apology, high tolerance and conviction. So they have to say big up to Hugu Pungeh. But right now, Hugu Pungeh, yeah, one up brother. I like how you step out, the crown out, precept up, yeah, your concept up, your metaphorical senses, your lyrical context, yeah. So people want to know if you agree with me, You know, if you tell me if you agree with me, if you don't feel pleased with what I say. You know what I mean? If you don't agree with the fact say the fire come out and him do it. You know what I mean? Him show the world say, here we go on now. And then I would like the comments of my people them, would I like my people them to tell me what go on, how them feel about it, cause as I am always saying and will forever will be saying, we need to create that forum level there. More if I can talk back to my people, chat to my people them, relate to my people them, and give them feed forward, give them feedback, make them know what go on, give them the hottest, trending topics and we can source the information that them need.
I be Vybz in this, be Vybz in this, Vybz in this, be Vybz in this, be Vybz in this, be Vybz in this.